Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave, and I'm sure that you're excited to see another video. And in this video, we are going to be talking about my lead gen secrets, but I'm going to share with you the strategy that I have on sending. How do you plan, basically? How do you plan to send these leads, which you're getting basically 100 to 200 leads every single day? How do you plan your emails so you spend 5 minutes of your time? You literally spend 5 minutes a day sending these emails because all you need to do is send an email and replace an email. So it takes you a very short amount of time. It's a one-time effort in the beginning, and then you start to build your style, your strategy, yourself, your personality through emails, so that you can convert these leads into sales for the people to have a buying intention so that actually they become sales. Okay, so this is the strategy that I use with my lead gen secrets. Guys, I love my lead gen secrets. I use it every single day. It's proven that the traffic converts. There are buyer leads within the traffic itself. So since I know that there are buyer leads in the traffic, my main focus as an affiliate marketer is to follow the method of emailing, giving them the right structure, and making sure that I have the opportunity to present my offer to them. That's the main thing. So getting those clicks, but getting those clicks is actually almost conditioning the person to get into that buying intention so that they can pull out their credit card, right? But they're a person at the end of the day. So I'm sharing my strategy, my authenticity, myself to an email, and by emailing people on a daily basis. So that's what I do. I'm specifically going to share with you guys the strategy that I use with my lead gen secrets on not only how to generate sales, but also how to make my work more efficient on a daily basis. So that's something that I personally do, and I want to share that with you in this video. Guys, let me share my screen and jump on right now. What's going on, guys? So as I said, this is the strategy. This is my entire business. Okay, I want to give you a high level overview of my entire business, and then I'm going to zoom in and show you guys something, and then zoom out and show you the rest. Okay, so what I use basically my lead gen secrets to send, I send basically traffic to my lead gen secrets. I use the traffic, sorry, from my lead gen secrets to send an offer to make a sale. And then as I get paid from those sales, I buy traffic. Okay, I'm a very much a believer in paid traffic, whether it's solo ads, whether it is Bing ads, whether it is PPC ads, Google PPC ads, any kind of ads. Paid ads, I think, is each ad source is a skill set in itself. And if you master those skill sets, you never really have to look for traffic ever again. You can just start to get better and scale up your business from there. So that's why I'm a very strong believer in paid traffic itself. Now, that being said, obviously it costs money to test these traffic sources out. It costs. So I have a funded proposal, which is basically using my lead gen secrets to an offer and then getting a sale, and then using that sale to basically fund my traffic efforts. And obviously that generates, like, the whole sales process generates between 1 to 5% conversions usually. And the aim for me is the emails to then generate additionally 40 to 50% conversion. So it just makes sense for me to repeat this process over and over again. If I start off with a low end offer or high end offer, it really doesn't matter, as long as I'm building my skill set as an affiliate marketer. And this is what I do. Okay, it's not really complicated, but what we're going to be focusing on today is right here, these 3 steps. Okay, so this is what I personally am talking about in this video, right? Which is my lead gen secrets. Email leads that I get, 100 leads every single day. That's what my lead gen secrets is. I get 100 leads every single day. I do not promote my lead gen secrets as income source. It can be an income source for you. It is becoming an income source for me, but it is not my income source, primary income source. It is something that I'm using for purely solving 2 problems. Traffic generation, because here I'm paying $1 every single day or $30 a month. I'm paying to get 100 leads every single day added to my account, and I can email. The only work that I need to put in is email those leads every single day to then convert into, as this shows, convert the offer into a sale, and that generates me the income and the funded proposal that I see. That's just to show you how and what my lead gen secrets is. Guys, I have a playlist about my lead gen secrets, so I'm not going to go into all the details of it. What I'm going to do is share a playlist in the description of my lead gen secrets. You can see my results from the beginning when I got started to some case studies to some trainings. Everything is in that playlist there, and I'm going to keep doing these videos every single Monday. So guys, if you're interested in these videos, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification for future videos that I do put out. And if you're interested in getting my lead gen secrets, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to this page right here in the description of this video. So if you're interested in it, then you can click on that and get these 100 leads. Okay, Now, as I said before, you cannot guarantee any results. I cannot guarantee you any results, but I'm trying to give you methods or strategies that just become a bit easier for everybody. So if you're in My Legion Secrets already also, this video is going to be useful for you. So let's go ahead and share that. What you can see is that I send out an email every single day, right? Now, what I prefer is, I know that a lot of marketers on YouTube talk about email swipes that you can find and you can do. And I'm not saying that they're bad or good or anything. I think you should use all the strategies that you can. But what I personally find more useful, because I'm developing a skill set, right? That's the whole aim for me as an affiliate marketer. I'm developing these skill sets. And in order for me to develop these skill sets, I need a place to practice it. And I think My Legion Secrets is a perfect place to practice it, because I send out an email every day. I can check open rates. I can check who's clicking. I can see whether my emails make sense or not. So let's just log into My Legion Secrets and show you guys. Just to give you guys an idea here, I'm in my back office, and just to show you some statistics, you can see that I get clicks, I get opens, and these are my emails, right? So this is what I'm looking at, guys. Right from the beginning, this is what I was looking at, okay? My emails, how are they working? And just to show you, I don't write long emails. I write pretty short emails, but I get to the point of telling my story. So the first email that I ever sent out to these emails, 100 emails that I got, was, guys, 8 years ago, I moved from India to Europe, basically. And it was due to a side hustle as well. It did help me a lot. All of these side hustles do make a difference. Having these side hustles do make a difference. And sharing my affiliate marketing journey. So I decided to take this emailing every single day as sharing my journey, talking about certain skill sets, and then having them convert and get these clicks. Why? Because these clicks basically go to an offer. And once they decide to buy that offer, then I get a sale. As simple as that. How do you plan these daily emails? Because as you can see, you can send an email once every 24 hours. So there's 16 more hours for me to go until I get more leads and I can actually send an email, right? So 16 more hours. But you can select all the emails, all the leads that you get, and then you write a subject here, and then you write the email. But how do you go about doing this? So what I've done is, I personally have a document which I don't save my emails. You can if you want. You can track everything if you want. Each email, you can have a different link so that you're tracking and tracking and tracking and knowing where your sales exactly coming from. And that's a very, very precise marketer, which I like. But I personally don't have the time for that because I do have my 9 to 5. So how do I go about planning my emails? Simple. I use a tool called ChatGPT. Guys, you know about ChatGPT, but I'm going to share with you right now how to use it in the way that I like to use it. So let's go to new chat, and I'm going to click here. Can you write 5 emails with 100 to 150 words on affiliate marketing as a side hustle? Why? Because I do affiliate marketing, guys. If you have a product which is related to health and fitness, then you can write a product which is related to health and fitness. Let me just reload my page because sometimes ChatGPT does this. Okay, so I've refreshed my page. Let's go ahead and add the same thing that I wrote there. 5 emails with 100 to 150 words and a subject on affiliate marketing as a side hustle. Can you also have different subjects for each email and benefits, and divide the benefits per email in the separate emails. So, sorry, spelled it wrong. And that's my command. I've prompted, and let's see what ChatGPT does. Now, obviously, I'm not saying that you have to follow this to the T, guys, but you can use it as a good base, okay? And then I think you should edit it, adjust it according to the emails or the style that you're sharing or the style that you're doing. But in the beginning, write 5 to 7 emails, okay? I personally write 5 emails because on the 5 days a week, I send emails to my main offer. And then 2 days of the week, I send to My Legion Secrets itself. But you can write 7 emails. So I'm just using 5 as an example, but it doesn't matter how many you can write if you want. If you want to do 2 weeks worth of emails, you can do 2 weeks worth of emails in the beginning. But this is the strategy that I follow. So 4th email has been written, and then the 5th email. What I'm going to be doing basically then after that, I'm going to show you here, is I'm going to copy these emails into a Google Doc. Okay, so let's go and create another Google Doc, email MLGS. There we have it. It's almost done with the 5th email. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy all of this. Okay, just scroll down, blah, 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 copy it all. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to go Control Shift V or Command Shift V, yeah, and change it. So let's say this is the first email, right? So subject, affiliate, I don't like this. So we will use affiliate marketing. Benefits of affiliate marketing. Let's use this. Okay. And just to make it interesting, you see how I'm editing and I'm not keeping it completely, because you can ask ChatGPT to do all of this, but then you're getting used to the prompts in a different way, right? So this is, I prefer just doing it once on my own. So I say number one side hustle and benefits, just do this. Okay, benefits of affiliate marketing here. And this is what you can change. Now in My Legion Secrets, you can see that you can use the first name prefix right here. So I'm going to copy this, go to my page and say, and put that here instead of the name, put the prefix, and I'm going to say hi. Okay, because I don't want it to be so formal. Are you looking for a side hustle that can bring you passive income? This is if it is bringing you passive, and that can, I would change this, because I don't like to say usually income or passive income, because people misunderstand and they're lazy. I want people who actually take action. So here I say, are you looking for a side hustle that can make a change in your life? Have you considered, and then I go, have you considered affiliate marketing in simple terms, blah, blah, blah. These are fine. Promoting products. I'm sharing what affiliate marketing is. So that's absolutely okay. The best part about this, and basically you're editing this email. Okay, now I'm just doing a quick change like this so that you can see how I'm doing the edits, but you don't have to really do it. And it's not an email series. Remember, you're creating these emails for yourself, but it's not an email series. All you need is a platform to promote and the products that are built. I will share with you some of the benefits of affiliate marketing and how to get started, and benefits and how to get started. Click here now to see more. Stay tuned for more. Best regards and your name. So in my case, it would be David. And now what I've done here is basically I've created my first email. I do the same thing for these other emails right now. I'm not going to make these changes or edits or anything like that. You can add your links here if you want. It's up to you. But basically my day-to-day action is really following the strategy, right? So I go here, I go to the email, I load the email, I send the email. And then after I've sent the email, what I do is I delete this. This is me personally, okay? I delete this email and I just write a new email that day to replace it. So if I have 7 emails, I write the 7 emails on the first day. The first day I send the email out. So then one day I send the email out, then I come here and I write another email. So I'm writing 2 emails every single day. One to send, which is basically copying what I've already written, going to My Legion Secrets, pasting it there, making sure I have all the links set up. And this is literally what you need to do. Okay, so I'm going to just show you. You select all the leads, and I will not be able to send an email, right? I go here, I select all, I paste. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out this bold because I don't like this bold. Okay, I'm going to copy the subject just to show you. I would keep it here for now, just to give you an idea, but the subject basically you take out from the whole main thing here and you put the subject on top, right? You have the whole entire email here. You can see I would bold the link that I want them to click on, and then click this button right here, add your link. For now, I'm just going to put get paid. What is it? Let's use emojis so that you can actually see. Okay, say I have this, I'm promoting a lead, and I put okay. And then I will change this color usually to red. And this is my email. Now, the whole point of this email is for them to go through it and click on this link, right? So I increase also the font size to 18, and you can usually preview your email, but this is the email that you would do. So you would copy from your list, from your document, come onto the section right here, add everything, all your leads, make sure you're adding your links, and then click on send, perfect timing, and then send. And that's how you send your email. After you send your email, you close this. So I closed it, okay? Go back here, and I can say, do I want to continue to write these kind of emails? If yes, then you can copy this, go to ChatGPT, add this email here, and say, just before the email, say, can you reword or write this email better? And ChatGPT will say, sure, and then writes the email in a different way for you. So you can rephrase that email. You can do it in a different way if you want, or you can write a completely new email. But after you do write a completely new email, what I would do is I would copy it from here, go back and add it. So you always have, the thing is, you always have those 5 to 7 emails on a daily basis, which you're writing an email every single day, but you're spending your first day to write those 7 emails, and then you're just replacing one email. You're copy pasting and then replacing one email. And so you're spending time just to write one email every single day using the ChatGPT strategy. I have, by the way, another video in the training of My Legion Secrets, which you can find below in the description of this video. There is a specific training on ChatGPT, how to use it and how it can be beneficial for you. So guys, if this strategy is useful, if you're using this, I really hope so. And I hope you just enjoy the whole process of emailing your leads every day and getting those commissions and following this strategy. If you're interested in more of these kind of videos, specifically the trainings that I'm doing and working with me personally, my links are in the description, even to my Facebook group. You need to answer the questions and then I can let you in. And I look forward to seeing you on future videos. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.